Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will do a review of the Bluedio U2, and this is their second version of their UFO lineup. The first thing that I want to say is that this headphone is amazing. Yep, you heard me right, it is amazing. It is the best headphone that I have tested yet. But first, let's talk about what you're going to get in the box. When you open the box, the first thing you will see is a user manual. Next is a carrying case. Inside that case is the Bluedio U2. This case has a small pocket, and inside that pocket is an audio cable and a micro USB charging cable. This white version does look really good, and they also have a black version, and I will put the link down below so you can go and check it out. The ear cups are covered with a soft and white leather. This headphone has an oval ear cups design, but it is a bit small. It does fully cover my ears, but I would like them to be bigger so that they can cover bigger ears. The headphone jack is located on the left ear. At the front of the left ear cup, there's a matte black plastic with a Bluedio logo on it. The right ear is where you can find the circular LED indicator, the power button, the volume control, and the music control. There's also a micro USB port and a microphone at the bottom of the right ear. The shiny parts that you see on the headphone are metal. I know that they are metal because they feel cold to the touch. The Bluedio U2 is flexible, as you can see. It doesn't make any cracking noise or weird noise when I flex it. The bottom headband is covered with the same soft and white leather. The top is covered with a gray leather with a UFO text. Even though this headphone used the same headband design as the T4 and the T5S, which I hate by the way, it still feels comfortable for some reason. This headphone is more comfortable than the T4S and the T5. The U2 can be folded inward like this. The joints at the slider feel a bit weak, but have been using it for like 2 weeks and it still performs well. Speaking of sliders, the U2 has metal sliders, but they are not clicky at all. Bluedio, make the sliders more clicky please. And also, bring the numbers indicator back. If you own a Bluedio T5 or T4S before, they have numbers on their sliders to indicate the length. For some reason, the U2 doesn't have any numbers on the sliders. Please bring back the numbers indicator and make the sliders more clicky. The battery life on this headphone is really good. I don't remember when was the last time I plugged the headphone in and charged it. On their website, they say that the headphone should last around 25 hours. So far, it does hold up to their statement. Now, this is an important part, the sound quality. This thing has 8 freaking speakers inside. 8 speakers, yep, you heard me right. 4 speakers on each ear. Like I say at the beginning of this video, this headphone is the best headphone I have tested yet. The bass is awesome, the mid and high is good, everything sounds clearly. Because of this headphone, I listen to music more than before, and it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. I own the T4S, the T5, the Bluedio F2, but nothing compared to this Bluedio U2. Conclusion: the build quality is good. It looks beautiful with the shiny metal and the white leather. The only thing that I don't like about the build quality is the sliders. The sliders are not clicky, and there isn't any numbers or lines to indicate the length of the sliders. The sound quality is awesome. I have no complaints about the sound quality. In my opinion, this headphone worth every penny, period. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and click like and share the video if you want to. Peace.